Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the smart kettle from GoveeLife that they sent to me for this video. And I have to say, I have the other one. Check it out. I have the other version right here, but I think I'm gonna replace it for this one. Just because what I like about this one more than that one is that this one has two features that are awesome. Like for example, it's all made of glass, so you can actually see the water and how much water you have. You can actually see that one as well. It has like a small section that is made of acrylic or glass, so you can see that as well. By the way, I'm gonna turn it on, and when I'm saying turn it on right here, I'm gonna use the Govee app. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up on 190. Right now, I think it's an 86, and it's gonna start boiling while we talk right here. Couple things that I like about this one. Number one, how easy it is to set up. If you have the Govee app, just turn it on, and that's it. You can just go to the plus button, add it. You will put the same Wi-Fi, the same password that you have. You don't have to even put that password or Wi-Fi. It will auto-detect it, so that is really good. The other good thing, I do love that it's made of this really nice stainless steel. Looks really modern and cool. I'm gonna show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But also, this is fantastic. Having this for just infusing some leaves, if you want, some tea leaves, some coffee leaves, and all that, you can just use this one at the same time that you are using the kettle, you know? So let's take a closer look now. Okay, so you have the smart display right here. Right now it's 101, 102. You have the on and off button. You have the plus and the minus, and you can change the mode to make it to be for green tea, for coffee, for black tea, for oolong, for example, just do it yourself. You have plenty of options with the mode. But if not, you can change everything right here. With the app, you can just change everything. You can change take a look at this one. Then it's gonna become red. As soon as reaches some temperature, it's gonna become red, and then it's gonna be off and keep it warm. That is the good thing, that you have the keep warm right here. Let's see if you can see that one, keep warm. You have that one on and off, and it will keep it warm for 30 minutes. So just with the stainless steel, with the app that is so easy to use, or the buttons right here, you have the display, you have the keep warm, and you also have the infuser as well as the different modes. This thing is a keeper. I'm actually gonna replace this one and kind of like give the other one to my neighbor or something like that, because this one is just fantastic. I love it. I guarantee it is GoveeLife, so it's good quality.